I did some research with one of the haematologists in the department at Derriford Hospital, which was just looking into the way that medical students and primary care approach iron deficiency, as a lot of the ways that we're taught it doesn't really match up with the real life sort of blood parameters. So it's quite exciting research in terms of it's got quite a big potential to change practice. And it also could have like relatively big implications for a lot of patients in terms of diagnosis. So we ran sort of some research over the course of about 3 years, looking on sort of as the labs changed through Derriford, so that's how we were able to do the research, and then produced a poster to bring here, and then hopefully going to get a publication as well. My real highlight has been the Crucible prize section, which was discussing sort of how haematologists do harm, and talking more about the ethics and talking about some of the broader issues in medicine and with haematology in general. And I thought that was a really big highlight for me, as obviously as I'm still a student, a lot of the specialist talk was all about innovation. A lot of it I didn't really understand. Actually, to be able to get an impression of more the general principles of haematology and also the way that they're looking forward to moving research forward is actually just really inspiring. So I think not necessarily understanding a lot of what was said was actually just useful in terms of getting a better idea of innovation. I'd be excited to be more part of that sort of ethical discussion around what kind of things they do, particularly with like population health and future research. I'd be really excited to get involved with something like that myself, and also the Meet the Expert sessions. I think it's really exciting to be able to meet somebody who is at the top of their field and really get involved with that is something that's very exciting for the future and was exciting at this meeting as well. I would just say how much of a good time I've had, how inspiring I found it, and how open everybody has been in terms of including you in conversations and conversations about research, and actually presenting at a national conference isn't that scary. Everybody was at your point at some point in their training and actually are really interested to hear about what you're doing and what you think of what they're doing as well. So I think I was quite nervous before I came, and I would totally encourage anyone else just not to be, and just to come in with a completely open mind and know that everyone is really friendly and welcoming.